All right, so let's find the coefficient of x to the fourth in this binomial. And we're going to, level one of this would just be to expand it. So if you wanted to find the template of anything that is expanded, this would be 1a to the eighth, and the a is x actually, 8, a to the seventh, b to the first, and then it's maybe not entirely clear unless you've studied Pascal's triangle what the coefficients are to come. And so a reminder that the 1 is 8 choose 0. That'd be a to the eighth, b to the 0. The 8 represents 8 choose 1, a to the seventh, b to the first. And then I can predict what the next one's going to look like. 6th and b squared and so on. And this matches up here. So if we're trying to find the one that has x to the fourth, that would be the one that is a to the fourth rather than x in my little example here. So it's going to be 8 choose something. Don't exactly know what that is off the top of my head. But then the a, which is x, is going to be to the fourth power. And then the b, which in the problem is 5, is to some other power that's right here. And the way that we figure that out is that we know that the exponents always add up to 8 in this case. That the 6 and the 2, the 7 and the 1, they always add up to 8. So the leftover here is 4. That would be 8 choose 4, x to the fourth, and 5 to the fourth. And the 8 choose 4, you can do it on your calculator. So we could write it instead like this. And let's go ahead and calculate that. Oh, I just had that going. Okay, so math, probability, option 3. I always forget to do this. 8 choose 4 is 70. And that would go here. So 70 is the binomial coefficient, but the final coefficient, we also have to multiply the 70 by this 5 to the fourth. So if we take that, 70 times 5 to the fourth, that is the coefficient of x to the fourth. That is, if we were to expand it out by hand, or even if we had to do the box method. So find the coefficient, there it is. And that's probably the simplest way to do it with the least hassle. Just to recap here, 8 because of the exponent, and then we knew that this was going to be a and b, and that the a, which is x, had to be to the fourth, and they add up to 8. So then once I put that here, then I knew this was 4, and I calculated that number.